6,000 horsepower on that thing and Kingdom come back.
Oh, he wasn't here. He was on 2. He wasn't having any trouble. It looks like. But the coal train that came through that night, you could almost wonder if he was spinning wheels right here. Because as he was coming up here, he had 3 in the lead, nothing pushing. You could hear the rail popping as he was going. That's where it looked like he was spinning out, spinning wheels.
Most of them engines got anti-slip on them and they were spinning. They got supposed to not spin.
Yeah, you could hear the Sanders were going.
But that one come through that.
But the difference, the way that auto train, that coal train ain't in the same ballpark. Probably about 6 of them coal cars weigh as much as that auto train.
Oh yeah. Well, see that coal train started from a dead stop too, down there at Archie King Road down
So
there.
he was coming up the hill the whole time.
Well, they sat in there sometime 8, 10 hours.
Yeah. Last time we here, one sitting there one Sunday morning, sitting in there over 6 hours. One of the nephews still sitting there on the main line. Now that's something Norfolk Southern would never do. Auto train ain't gonna leave nothing on the main line. You're gonna put it in the
Yeah, it's
side.
the auto train.
The auto train company that one day was smoking so nice. Well, we thought it was on fire. When the brakes and one of the wheels was set. And he made it far as, oh, well, we made a mistake. He called me. He got something on the train. It was the old car, the old cafe car, down the car. He's rolling pretty good.
Yeah, he is.
Go with 60s tonight.
One car had flat wheels on it. Never been a passenger train, half of them had, freight train, half of them flat wheels.